Hey there, today we got another mystery tackle box. So I haven't uploaded the first video because that's going to take some time. So I'm just going to open the box, see what we got, and that'll be the end of it this time. Live and learn, that's my motto. Now, a while back, as in like a week ago, I did change my subscription from panfish to catfish since it's becoming fall and I'm not going out in the kayak, so let's see what we got in here. Sticker. Catch Company. That's really good. Go on the kayak. Ooh, look at this. Little panfish jigs. I got two of these. It's interesting. We got this little RS spin, dives 4 to 5 feet. That's pretty cool. You got some size 4 hooks. 5 pieces. Ooh, this is neat. Little rippers. That's really cool. I've never seen a bait like that before. It's pretty awesome. We've got some, what is this? Impulse reactionary baits. I've never used these before. It'll be interesting. You have to let me know how they work. This one's zooplankton, 143% more effective superior scent technology. 20 pieces. And we have, finally, drop shot live bait finesse hooks, 6 of them. So that's pretty cool. So that's this week's month's mystery tackle box. So can't wait to try these out. Remember, where do fish live? Keep your hook in the water.